Beneath the azure skies, where the horizon meets the sea, there lies a world of wonder, where the waves dance wild and free. With every crest and trough, a story's whispered to the shore. In the rhythm of the tides, where mystery